Now that we got the Seafoam installed, we have to let the vehicle rest and let the chemical do its work. While it's resting, we're gonna go ahead and install that catch can. Let's do it. Here, I'm struggling right now is deciding where I'm gonna put this catch can. So I thought about trying to squeeze it down here, but it doesn't leave a lot of room right there. I thought maybe I can try to squeeze it somewhere like here, but I really don't have a good place to mount it. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna go a little ghetto here, is I think I'm gonna try to mount it right here, which I think will still give me clearance with the hood closing. Maybe I'll test fit it first. So here's what I'm thinking. If this clears, then I think this is going to be my location. I don't know if it clears. We will see, that's for sure. Brush against this. Might be good. All right. So it looks like we got location. Now it's time to run some tubing. So as part of this process, we're going to remove this line here, which comes from PCV. We're going to run a line from this PCV valve to this to the catch can. We're going to cap off this end. All right. Then we're going to come around here and we're going to take the, where is it? We're going to take this line, I believe this is it, and we're going to run it back to, I think that's the line, but I believe this is it. We're going to take this line and run it back to here, right? We're going to take this one, run it back to this way here, and cap off this part right here. Let's get started. Other fitting, if you guys can see, it's the other, fitting, PCV valve is right here. So what I did was cut this line to bring it around. I'm going to use the hard hose that I used from the other side, cut a piece of it like so. It's going to attach in here with the clamp that was used to hold it, and then I'm going to connect that with two male fittings to bring it to here. Male fittings just like this. 3/8 male fittings. Here we go. Guess we keep this on. Let that run until the smoke stops, and see what we get.